Hello. Today I will tell you how to make 3D logo. Now, first open your Illustrator. First make a new page. Pose color is 2B, 2C, 2F. Now click on OK. Now first of all choose the pen tool. I first click here. Now drag your mouse to upward. Now press Alt to move it back. Here. After doing that, drag your mouse to down. Now guys, place here. Click here and click here. Now guys, choose the selection tool. Now again choose the pen tool. Once time click it at this arc and now move it here. Now once time click here and click here and click here. After doing that, choose the selection tool. Now choose this, the selection tool, and now increase the stroke to 12%. Now guys, we have to fill its color empty, and now we have to fill its stroke color to white. Here, empty this fill color. Now change the stroke color black to white. Click on OK. After doing that, guys, choose the selection tool and select this logo. After selecting that, go to Effects and 3D. Extrude and bubbles. Click here. Now guys, click on Preview here, and its surface is plastic shading -18, -26, 8, and now to extrude depth, right here 20. Now guys, click on OK. Now again choose this logo and again go to Effects and go to 3D, extrude and bubbles. Apply, click on Apply New Effect. Now again click on Preview. Now we have to set it extrude and depth to 10%. Here. Now click on OK. After doing that, guys, choose the selection tool and select this whole logo and place it to center. And now go to Objects, click on Expand Appearance. Now select this whole logo and fill its color to. First choose the. Now guys, select this whole logo. Now choose the eyedropper tool and fill its color to red. Here this one. P70808. Now click on OK. After doing that, choose. Now guys, select this whole logo. Now we have to empty its stroke. Here, click on stroke and click here. Now empty. Now select again this logo. Now choose the direct selection tool and choose this only text A, not 3D effect. Choose only A. Now fill its color to white. So guys, you can see that it's looking very good. Now increase the size and now place it to center. Now guys, choose the text tool, type tool, and write here text. I'm writing here ask father. Now change its color to red. Now go to characters, select this text and go to characters, and here click here on the top and increase the font size. I'm writing here 50. I have to increase it more to 70. Now guys, we have to change this font. Logo. Here I am choosing PATUA font. After choosing that, move it and place it here. Now guys, select this one and right click here and go to outlines, create outlines. Now guys, go to 3D effects and 3D extrude and bubbles. Now right here to 5%. Click on preview and set it to 5%. I think it's looking good here. Now click on OK. Now guys, select this text and go to object, expand appearance here. Now choose the direct selection tool and now select the characters, press shift and click on every character. Click on every character. We have to select the all characters. Now guys, we have to fill its color to white. Fill its color to, click on double click here and fill its color to white. After filling that, select this whole text and move it here. Now place it here. After selecting this, now guys, it's looking good here. Now guys, select this text again and again go to effects, go to 3D extrude and bubbles and now click on preview and now choose extrude to 5. Now guys, click on OK. Now guys, you can see that it's looking very good. Here. Now I hope you like this logo and thanks again for giving me views. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel.